Ready to learn how to sell your own ebooks online without using Amazon KDP? In this video, I'm going to show you a beginner's guide to writing and self-publishing your own ebooks as an indie author. So step number one for writing and self-publishing your own ebooks without using Amazon KDP is to find a trending topic to write about. Find a trending topic to write about. As authors, yes, we want to write a book, but we also want to make money with the book. That's the whole point of writing. And so from the very beginning, we want to make sure we're positioning ourselves for success. The way to do that is to write a book that people are already buying. I like to find topics by going right on Amazon and seeing what is already trending in my niche. So on Amazon.com, where it says all up here, click that and scroll down to where it says Kindle. Since we're doing ebooks, we want to see what digital Kindle books people are already buying. So click Kindle Store. And then you're going to type in your niche. So let's say I write sweet romance. So we got sweet romance books. I'll click that. And now don't just go with this. Go to the right here where it says sort by featured. Click sort by and then go to best sellers. Best sellers, because we want to see what is best selling right now on the ebooks page. So we got The Deal, Off Campus Book 1. The Score, Off Campus Book 3. Oh, this is Elle Kennedy. I love that. So Hockey Romance. If I could write hockey romance, that'd be great. Wow, she's occupying the top 4 spots. Good for her. Lift Me Up by Millie Johnson. A Short Story, the international bestseller author. I'm trying to see what this one is about. Let's see. Heartwarming story from Sunday Times bestseller. Tam had everything until a conversation in a broken lift with her worst enemy changes everything. So that is an enemies to lovers story, and she is in corporate America. Love that. Rebecca Yarros, The Last Letter. Wow, 19,000. Oh my gosh, 189,000. Wow. This is a military romance. So if I could write a military romance, that is currently trending. Santa Cowboy, a sweet billionaire cowboy romance. We love a good billionaire romance. So that is currently trending. So what you basically want to do is write in these sub niches that are already trending and theoretically in your marketing. So for example, if I write a hockey romance, a sweet hockey romance, I could just do my marketing to the readers of Elle Kennedy because she already built that audience. And I know that they read ebooks because look at this. They are on Kindle with this book. So that is how you find a topic that is currently trending. Step number 2 for how to write and self-publish your own ebook without using Amazon KDP. Write that book manuscript and format it with a template. Back in the day, before we had all the resources we had now, a lot of times you had to hire somebody to format your ebook for you, but now you can do it all on your own because we have templates. So I'm going to show you how to very quickly find easy to use templates that you can just copy and paste your book into. Now, if you don't know how to write a book to paste into that template, you're going to need to learn how to write a book. Check out my formula. I have the Godlywood Girl faith-based author school where I show you my problem solution framework for writing a book that is a clear solution to a clear problem. You can check it out by going to christianauthorschool.com. But either way, whatever format you choose a writing formula and write your book so that you can format it into an actual PDF file. Because of Google Docs, we can now make templates super, super easy. So you would just go over here to it says File, go to Page Setup, and you see where it says Page Size here. I love statement 5.5 by 8.5. Click that one. And I like to set my margins a little smaller. So my top, bottom, left, and right. And click OK. And now you got a nice little ebook template. And then you'll just fill this out. So you'll put your title. Let's say I'm writing a hockey romance. I'll say hockey in the heart. That sounds so weird, but I'm making this up, okay? And then you would do insert, break, page break, and then you would do your next title. Let's say this is the dedication. I am putting a dedication here, and then insert, break, page break, and you would continue to do this for all of your chapters or prologue. That could be prologue too. And then I would just do left align here, probably do a size 13 font, and then enter your manuscript. And I recommend that you write your manuscript right into your template so that as soon as you are done, you can do File, Download, and you're going to do an EPUB file. The EPUB file is what people can read on their Kindle device. And because you're doing your page breaks, it's going to be able to pull up into the Kindle with them to be able to easily be able to change the fonts and all that good stuff. It's really cool. You can also do it as a PDF. This is how I sell my Kindle books. Sorry, this is how I sell my digital books. What do I call it? The hockey in the heart, hockey in the heart. And then now we need a cover for this. So remember, it's 5.5 by 8.5. So go over to Canva and we have free covers. So I'll put romance novel cover. So canva.com/templates and find something that matches your brand. I'll go with this one. Customize this. And this is called Hockey in the Heart. And these hands here, let me go to elements. I'll see if I can find a hockey stick. All right, I got some cute stuff. I'd probably change up these colors a little bit, but you get the example. A novel by Stephanie Rodnez. And then I would go ahead and download this, Hockey in the Heart. And for that PDF, you just need to merge those two files together. So go to pdfmerge.com or sodapdf.com, click choose file, and then you're just going to combine those two files. So this is our front cover and this is our interior, and click merge files. And now you have a ebook. You didn't need Amazon at all for it. Now remember, if you don't know how to write a book, I show you how to write and self-publish your own nonfiction books with my How to Write a Faith-Based Book bundle. Just go to purposelegend.com and you'll be able to grab that bundle. It includes teaching you how to pick your book topic, how to write your book outline, how to write out your manuscript based on that outline, how to self-publish it, finding your niche, selling your book, so much more. This bundle has so much stuff in it. It has the daily planner in it. It has the workbook companion. It has the ebook. So you'll be able to learn how to write and self-publish your own nonfiction book step by step. Just go to purposelegend.com. And finally, step number 3 for how to write and self-publish your own ebook without using Amazon KDP. List your book for sale on your own website and start marketing. List your book for sale on your own website and start marketing. One of the things I love about being an ebook author is when you sell on your own website, you're making pure profit. An ebook is a digital file. It costs $0 in inventory and $0 to deliver to your customer. So when you make the sale, you're keeping 100% of that sale. As opposed to, if you list that same ebook for sale on Amazon Kindle, well, they're going to take 30% and maybe 70% if you list that book over $9.99. Yeah, that's how much money they take. So I want my indie authors to escape that horrible 70% percentage and instead sell on your own website. It's so simple to do because we have AI now, which I'm about to show you. And then once your book is listed for sale on your own website, start marketing. When you sell your book on Amazon, you have to market it anyway. So now you'll do the same marketing, except now you'll send people to your own website to purchase instead of sending them to Amazon. Let me show you how to do this. I'm super excited to announce that today's video is sponsored by Hostinger.com. Hostinger is an incredible website builder where you can create your own website using AI in minutes. It literally is minutes. So go to Hostinger.com/Godlywood Girl. And I recommend the business website builder because you get 50 websites on one plan. You get 5 vibe coding credits. And my favorite part, you keep 100% of the actual profit. You don't have to give Hostinger transaction fees. It's absolutely amazing. So just go to Hostinger.com/Godlywood Girl and click choose plan. Any plan over 12 months gets you a free domain name. And where it says have a coupon code, enter in Godlywood Girl. Click apply and you will get 10% off your entire hosting plan. Now, once you're all signed up, you're going to be taken to the AI website builder. Go ahead and just put in what you do. So I'll say, I write and sell hockey romances that are faith-based. And click the little arrow and you're going to see how quickly Hostinger will create your website for you. No way, it gave me a live. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so I'll click continue. That is so good. It gave me a live hockey video. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is add my website. The first thing I need to do is add my ebook. So go ahead and click add product. This is a digital product, but you can sell physical products. It's one of the number one questions I get asked on my channel. If you can use Hostinger to sell physical products, yes. Just select the physical product tab here. This is a digital ebook video though, so I'm gonna click digital products. And then you're gonna upload the front cover of your ebook. Hostinor has a product description AI generator, and so it'll literally write your product description for you based off the front page. It's pretty cool. And then we'll scroll down. A poignant sports romance novel. Love it. And then it gives us a nice little description here. My amount, I'll probably change this to $14.99. And then right here is where you upload your actual your PDF and your EPUB file. You would upload both. So as soon as somebody purchases, they can either just read the PDF or they can read the EPUB file on their Kindle device. And then I would go ahead and click save. Now you'll be taken to the back end of your product manager, your store manager. So delete all of these other ideas that the AI gave you and just keep your product that you just added. And again, you can add up to 1,000 products on here. So add away if you have more. When you're all done, on the top right, click edit website. And now you will see our website is pretty much almost done. There's our book that we just added. Hostinor is what you see is what you get. So you just click and edit, click and edit, click and edit. So I'll say hockey romances from the heart. And then I'll probably put here text, sweet romance novels, or maybe hockey romance novels. I'm absolutely keeping this. This is perfect. Where I'll click shop now, click edit button. You're going to change this to page and select your book. And you see Hostinor is just click and edit, click and edit, click and edit. That's all it is. So what I'll do here, you see how I can just move the stuff around exactly where I want it. And then here I can literally drag this up. Isn't that cool? So you can make it look exactly how you want it to look. Absolutely love this video. Something I like to do, I'll click add section, online store, and I like to do single product just so that it's one big screen right here. And then if I click edit section, layout, I can make it left centered if I want to, or I can make it centered text here, which to me looks very nice. So then I'll scroll down. I'm going to get rid of this section only because I don't need it. And if I had multiple books, I would keep this section here, but I only have the one. But when you have multiple, just go ahead and keep that. Always keep your opt-in. And down here again, it's just click and edit, click and edit. Beautiful. And that's how quickly you can do this. If we go to the shop page, just want to make sure this looks good. So I'll just get rid of this testimonial. And then right over here, just because we can, why not? Click add section, online store, single product. Because I don't have multiple books, so I'll just delete this for now. But when you have multiple, again, go back to that. Then the about page, stories that warm the heart. This is a very nice page. So what you can do is just change this up. So I could edit this image and put an image of myself. Over here, I could put my bio. I could put the book for sale over here again. I could edit this section and change this image back here. So replace images, free images. I'll put hockey. I'll choose this one, add to page. Isn't that cool? I love this so much. Hostinor is what you see is what you get. It's so cute. All right, so when you're all done, go ahead and click save, click preview, and look at this. We have a website where we are selling our hockey ebook, which is trending. We have it for sale on our own website. They're going to get the Kindle PDF, so they'll get the Kindle EPUB file, and they'll get the PDF downloads. They can put it in their Kindle, or they can read on the PDF. Totally up to them. They'll be able to shop on the page. And we did this in a couple of minutes because we let AI do the heavy lifting. Just let AI build it for you. Don't let the tech stop you. You can make way more profit by selling on your own website. So to get started, go to hostinor.com/godlywoodgirl and use discount code godlywoodgirl at checkout to get 10% off your entire hosting plan. And once you have your website done, you would start marketing. Make sure you check out my previous videos where I go through different marketing strategies you can use to promote your book once you have it on your own website. If you have not yet written a book that is a clear solution to a clear problem, come join me in the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School. I show you how to do it step by step. Let me give you a little sneak peek. Hey, it's your girl, Steph Rodnez, and if you've been struggling to move forward on your journey as a faith-based author, I've created a brand new community called the Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School just for women like you who want to move forward in your purpose as a woman of Christ writing books. The school includes the Author Toolkit, which has 10 tutorials for 10 different types of Christian books you can write, including nonfiction books, daily devotionals, prayer journals, ebooks. There's a lot in there. You'll get access to the Godlywood Girl Book Funnel Toolkit, which shows you how to take your book, bundle it up, and put it into a sales funnel, including a lead magnet funnel, a tripwire funnel, and my very favorite, a webinar funnel. You'll get access to the book promotion toolkit, which shows you how to create a marketing plan to promote your funnel, because in order for people to buy our books, right, we have to tell them about it. And that's what the marketing toolkit shows you how to do. Plus, you'll get access to a community of other women who are writing faith-based books just like you are. Sis, you do not have to do this alone. Come join the brand new Godlywood Girl Faith-Based Author School so you can get the tutorials you need, you can get the community you need, and most importantly, you can get the network that you need to step into your purpose as a faith-based author. I can't wait to see you there. Visit ChristianAuthorSchool.com to fill out the application form and apply today. In the meantime, don't forget to watch my free 3-day Start Your Book Business Challenge, where I show you how to get started with your own email list as an indie author. Go to ChristianBusinessToolkit.com, and don't forget to watch this video for even more resources to help you step into your purpose as an indie author. I can't wait to see you there.